Hey everybody, and I'm making a video of Watch Dogs 2, and today we're doing a hit Rampage, and we're going to go around shooting everybody, and it's going to be a very big hit. My other video that I made, if y'all want to watch that, just tap next to the subscribe thing. You don't have to subscribe, just click that thing, and it'll show my other video. That other video is kind of crap, I'm sorry, if I know it's crap, and if you want to watch it, you can, but I think y'all might like Watch Dogs Hit Rampage. And just to let y'all know, look at my guy. He looks bad. I like him. He looks bad, eh? I can't really, whatever. I like him because look at him. Bruh. Look. Can't really, bruh, that's awesome. I don't know if y'all can see it pretty good, but my thing's kind of messed up, but there we go. He's awesome. Hit. Okay, so we're gonna start our hit Rampage we're gonna try to get as many cops as we can on me. First we're gonna stop by this. Okay, we're gonna start by killing everybody we see.
911, please state the nature of your emergency.
Sick car, y'all. I may not be talking a lot in this video. It's because I'm just and the volume may be loud. I just want y'all to hear what's going on. I may talk sometimes because all I'm doing is trying to hit Rampage and everything. And that's mostly it. I just want y'all to see the fight. I'm playing this on Xbox One too. If y'all have Watch Dogs 2 for any system, just try the one I'm doing. I mean, y'all probably have. I had this game for a while. I'm about to beat it. I might do a couple of missions here and there. And yeah. Oh, I may die if I get out. Oh god. Oh, lost the cover? Who's that? Oh god, no. How did I survive that? Heck no! No. Please like this video, y'all. I'm a beginner of a YouTuber. I just at least subscribe or just like the video. You don't really have to subscribe, but please like it. That's all I'm asking. Just like it. And crap. I'm mostly running. This ain't no Rampage. This must be running. Okay, I need to find a place to hold down. Mostly just a hit Rampage here. Well, this ain't hit. Just call a gang over here. Oh, I can't do that.